Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Helldivers 2 mic not working. First of all, check basic mic setup. Make sure your mic is plugged in properly. Test your mic on another app, for example Discord, Windows Voice Recorder, to confirm if it works. Then set mic as default device. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar, click on Sounds, go to Recording tab. Find your mic, right-click, set as default device and set as default communication device. Pick and check if the green bar moves. Then allow Helldivers to access to microphone on Windows. Go to settings, go to privacy microphone, make sure allow apps to access your microphone is on. Scroll down and ensure Helldivers 2 or Steam has mic access enabled. Then check in-game voice settings, launch Helldivers 2, go to settings, audio, voice chat, make sure voice chat is enabled, check input device setting matches your mic, adjust mic volume to proper level, then update audio drivers, use device manager, sound, video and game controllers, right click your audio device, update driver or download the latest drivers from your mic headset manufacturer, then disable exclusive mode, PC, open sounds, recording tab, right click your mic, properties, advanced tab and check allow applications to exclusive control of this device. Click OK and restart the game. Check console mic settings, PS5 or Xbox. Ensure your headset is connected properly. Check the console's audio input settings. Test your mic in the console party chat or voice setting. Then restart game and system. Sometimes a simple restart fixes mic detection issues. And that's it.